So we started our day 3 with the lovely blessings of Ajmer Sharif Chishti Baba. It was really a very heavenly feel over there. The lovely music, the songs, and what they call that azan and all those. It was very lovely over there.
Divine feeling. Whenever we go to temple, masjid, church, we feel very
peaceful,
good and very positive.
In fact, even now when we are shooting this video, we are in Shirdi. Okay, so okay, fine. So coming to the point is, we took a good darshan of Ajmer Sharif Chishti Baba. Then we rode back to our hotel, where it was like a maze kind of thing for us. We lost our way and it took another 45 minutes. 10 minute के रास्ते के लिए हम लोग को 45 minutes लग गया to reach our hotel. So yeah, so we took another 45 minutes to reach hotel. Then we resumed our ride back.
Yeah, we initially planned to reach Jaipur and get our bike fixed, because we were not sure that we'll get any good mechanic in between roads, even in Ajmer. So we started riding towards Jaipur, but in between we saw one good town with lot of mechanics in one line. So we thought to check with one of the mechanic.
हम लोगों को लगा कुछ normal issues है, तो let's check with the normal mechanic, and then we took our bike to the normal mechanic. He told कि okay, आपकी saddle bag निकालो, फिर आपकी seat खोला. He did everything. He ate at least 2 hours of our time, and then finally he said that कि कुछ तो एक चीज गया है, and I'm not sure which thing is gone, और वो मेरे पास available भी नहीं है. It's not available with me.
He was not sure what happened, and he concluded that I don't have that spare part with me. So we again put everything
I was so angry, but then again, like we क्या कर सकते हैं?
Yes. So we again started, and we started riding towards Jaipur.
I think around 12:30 or 1 o'clock we reached Jaipur. Jaipur people, they really misguided us. We were actually searching for service center, Bajaj service center, but
someone said यहाँ पर है. So somehow we found Bajaj service center, and we asked them, we requested them that please take our bike. Being on Monday, they were a little bit lazy and lot of work on Monday. So we requested that we have to cover lot of distance ahead. So please take our bike and work on it and try to get it fixed. And
thanks to all the gentlemen, they really considered our request, and they took our bike. They started searching कि आखिर चलो problem कहाँ है देखते हैं. Now you know, from 1:30 to 4:30 they were actually searching कि यार problem क्या है. They was not able to understand कि बाइक का इशू क्या हुआ है आखिर. Why the hell my headlight indicator and the horn part is not working? हुआ क्या है आखिर? Then finally they were taking lot of time, और वो लोग एक बाइक को इतना टाइम नहीं दे सकते. So what they thought is, the manager of that
two mechanics already worked on the bike. They could not find it. One guy told that let's forget all about this. Let's cut the relay part, and let's do the direct connection of headlight to battery. And he told us that after you start the bike only, you have to switch on the battery, switch on the headlight. Otherwise
मतलब आपकी जो headlight है, your headlight will be on 24/7 365 days. You will not be able to switch it off or switch on. So your headlight will continuously, it will be in a on position.
So we were not agreeing to that thing, but still somehow we thought that no, let's go ahead with this.
Because obviously you are going to Ladakh, आपकी बैटरी की issues हो सकती है, आपका बैटरी डेड हो सकता है, because they are going to do a direct connection. वो जो original चीज़ है बाइक की, that is not going to work. You are going to do something which is unusual, right? So I was very skeptical. I was like कि please do something, please find a problem. You will be able to. So we were like कि 3 घंटा चला गया. Nobody is understanding what is the problem is. So ठीक है, चलो fine, do the direct connection. So what happened? One of the mechanic, he was in process of doing the direct connection of my bike, and he was like he opened some box, and there was this black tape which was covering something. So he thought to open that black tape. When he opened that black tape, he found two tubes in a circuit. When he removed that tube, he saw that वो tube खराब हो गया है, right?
Tube वाला fuse जो होता है.
Tube वाला fuse जो होता है आपका Avenger के right hand side के इसमें.
When you get the bike, it is inside the one plastic box, small box.
Circuit type of.
So that box was not there. Instead, they made direct connection, and that tube fuse was there, and both the wires were connected to that. So that's why they could not find that.
क्योंकि सिर्फ वो black tape से वो roll किया हुआ था, वो लोग को समझा ही नहीं कि what is there inside that. So when that mechanic he removed it, I was sitting in a reception area and he came running towards me and he said कि मैडम पता चल गया problem क्या है, we can fix it now. Not unusual thing, but yes, we can replace that tube. जो 10 रुपए का ट्यूब है, I think not more than 10 or 20 rupees. वो 10 or 20 rupees, the smallest thing, you know, in your life can create so much problem. We really wasted so much of time that day because of just that small tube, right? So yeah, finally, so that
around
person.
5 o'clock, we were done with our bike. So all the electricals were working fine. Headlight was working fine. Indicator was working fine. Horn बराबर चल रहा था. And then we really thanked Jaipur Bajaj Service Center. We are not sure which area was that. We really thanked those people and we started riding towards Haryana.
Really, it was like कि मुझे unusual thing नहीं चाहिए था. I did not wanted something unusual with my bike. I wanted something which is legitimate, and so he even gave me one extra. We even took 2 extra tubes for my bikes कि अगर एक tube खराब हो जाएगा. He even explained us how you can change the tube, and if even अगर आगे जाकर अगर ऐसा हुआ तो how you can change that tube. So he even explained us that. He was really a very good person. We gave them some token of appreciation. We were very happy with their work, and positively we resumed our bike. We resumed our ride again.
Yes.
We thought to stay in Haryana. However, just a night before our ride, we saw this movie called NH10, because of which we were really very scared to stay in Haryana. So we did not stay in Haryana. We stayed in Kotputli instead.
Yeah, which is almost on border of Rajasthan and Haryana. It basically comes in Rajasthan. So we stayed there, and we quickly found one hotel which was a little expensive because there were not many hotels there.
So again, day 3 was a lot of peace. There was again a lot of time we wasted.
Even NH10 movie saved us from riding in the night, because initially we thought it was very hot in those days, so we initially thought of riding completely in the night and take rest in day. So guys, do not ride in night.
We have promised each other that we are never ever going to start our ride during night. But however, if अगर 7 बजे रुकना है कहीं पर और नहीं पहुंच पाए हैं and we have to ride ahead, then yes,
So,
we can
but
ride
till
till 9:30.
You
Yeah.
can always ride. So never start your ride around 10, 11, 12, and do not ride completely in the
I want an artificial mustache where I can look like a boy.
We woke up early on day 4 and started our ride from Kotputli, and just before Rewari we stopped for breakfast, and where we had yummiest paratha of our life with lots of makhan in it. And again resume our ride after answering a lot of questions to travelers who were traveling from there. And we took Rohtak, Panipat, Ambala, and that day
In fact, Haryana people are very sweet. They were really so curious about why are we riding, how are we riding, why are we doing this, why are we traveling on bikes. A lot of they are very talkative kind of people. They will
In
ask you.
fact, I overheard someone was saying, "Chori badi dhakad se."
So yeah, I mean they are really very sweet people. They were so curious about, and they're literally very talkative. They will ask one question and they will keep on asking you lots of questions, and we were really happy to answer each and every questions of them.
क्या? मैं तो ये जिप खोलता हूँ.
In fact, when we reached Ludhiana and Jalandhar, there were few police men who asked us to stop and inquired about where are we going, why are we going. They even offered us for a tea, coffee.
They forcefully made us drink that tea.
Tea, yes.
They said that we are fortunate.
First they said कि भाई साहब कहाँ जा रहे हो? And then when I told them that my husband is coming from behind. My husband is coming from behind, and I'll show you the license and the bike paper. So let him come. So he's like, oh, आप तो ladies हो यार. and they offered us tea, coffee. They forced us to drink those things, and they were really very sweet. They helped us, showing us correct path towards Jalandhar. And I think by evening 7 o'clock we reached Jalandhar.
By evening 7 o'clock we reached Jalandhar. It was very hot day.
Very hot day.
It was our first longest ride on individual bikes. We covered 600
kilometers.
So we started from Kotputli, Rewari, Rohtak, Ambala, Panipat, Jalandhar, Ludhiana and Jalandhar. And we found a hotel.
We had a good dinner in a dhaba over there. We had bindi masala, chapati, dal makhani.
No, not chapati. We had
makke di roti. और वो सब इतना खाया हम लोग ने. It was just $225 I think. Yeah, $225. Or eating so much lassi piya, a lot of things. So yes, so Jalandhar day 4 really treated us good.
Yes.
We were really waiting for the big day tomorrow, as we were about to enter the new world of mountains. Yes, I was excited and I was equally overwrought, since I never rode on such dangerous single lane ghat ever. 0% experience, but I was clear that I have to make through my destination. That passion and obsession to achieve the goal and flaunt all those trainings Sachin gave me in last 2 months. His efforts should not go wasted. Moreover, I did not want him to suffer and get delayed because of me. I said it loud to my inner soul, "Get ready, Kiran, it's showtime."